All right, everybody, I'm coming to you live, and as you can see, I'm at Domino Pizza here, right here on the corner of Gesner and Westbury, and I just got through going through a lot of problems with this Domino Pizza store number 634. That 6634 is the Domino Pizza store number. And the employee name, which they are two black young ladies with very bad attitudes, y'all. You know, I don't get on this doing this all the time, but I got to get on here and have a say-so, because some of these young black women that get these jobs, their attitudes are so bad. They are so disrespectful, especially towards older men. And I don't know if it comes from their home training or whether or not they picked up this attitude from the streets. But I'm here to try to help people to understand these young ladies' attitudes got to get better, y'all. Thank God for this young man. He is the manager. His name is Chris. He the one that helped me and helped me go online to get the pizza you see right here. A young black man. Now, the young lady who I had a complaint with, and I'm going to call their corporate office and see can they do something about this. Because this is not the first time I had a problem at this store here at 6634, store number. Normally, I usually get this problem, and I don't worry about it. I don't video it. I just go on right on down the street to the Domino Pizza there on Chimney Rock, where they have dominant Hispanics people working there. I get treated better. I don't get disrespect like I do at this store here. And this is not the first time. And these two young ladies, one of them name was Regina White, and I will report this to Mr. Chris, who helped me out a lot. And I will report this to Mr. Perry, who is the district manager over here at this Domino Pizza 6634 is the store number. Because this lady told me, Miss White told me, she don't have to service me. She can refuse my service, and told me to go to the other Domino Pizza. Who gives her the authority and give her the right to tell people who to wait on and who not to wait on? I know she don't care if I go to the other Domino Pizza down on Chimney Rock. She could care less. Why? Because she gonna get a paycheck regardless. But the stockholders, the general managers, the district managers on up, they care. Because if Domino didn't care, they wouldn't be putting all these ads on TV. If not, Domino didn't care and want people to patronize them, they wouldn't be putting these coupons out in the mail. So Domino need to realize that people like Miss Regina White, I can't see nowhere, don't understand. Young black women today don't realize when they go into public and they get these attitudes, it reflects in their parents. See, when I was raised up, our parents taught us to go out in the public and represent them. Today's parents, evidently, they don't tell these young black women, and most of them are black females, y'all. I hate to say it, but it's true. It's very seldom I get a black female with a personality and respect. And I just want to put this video out there. And as you can see, I'm in the back of Domino Pizza. I'm not on their property. She can call whoever she want to call. But I'm here to let you know that this Domino Pizza here on the corner of Westbury and Gesner, store number 6634. And the day is June the 2nd, 2022. And the girl disrespected me and told me to go to another pizza place because she refused to give my service. Thanks to Mr. Chris, the store manager, he gave me my pizza and showed me how to go online to do this. A young black man. And I thank him for this. So until the next time, I will get in touch with Mr. Perry, who is the district manager, and see is that the way Domino do business. If it is, I will let you guys know. Thank you very much, and God bless you. We're out of here.